Sir Topham Hatt took Winston, and the two Diesels went to meet Sir Topham Hatt. They weren't even the good guys. They were evil, and they were hiding that fact for many years. They were hiding that fact for 20 years. And they kept going. Until they cut off the tracks and made it to Sir Topham Hatt. There's Sir Topham Hatt. Hey, sir!
What are you doing? You're supposed to be getting scrapped.
We're on your side.
Oh, okay. You guys will be my army.
Yes, we will. We'll join your army and we'll make it big for you, sir.
Oh, and by the way, they're starting a war. They got armor and everything. So do we. Come on. Come down. We got the armor of our own. Salty, get our armor.
Why?
'Cause I said so.
Okay, sir. I will do what you say.
There's your armor, sir.
What about Diesel 10, Ari, and Bert?
Sir, they're in the underworld.
Oh, why can't we bring them back from the dead?
Okay, I'll go do that now. Here they are, sir. Get them on the tracks. They could be useful. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. Armor them up. Armor them up immediately.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. As you say.
Okay, I'll get him on it.
Mason, are you missing a water bottle? It's at my house, I think.
You gonna practice tonight too?
No. Tonight's Wednesday night. Oh yeah, Gail better get on it.
There you go, sir.
The job's done.
They have so much more engines, but we have the better ones.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, better not warn. Okay,
Guys,
yeah? Yeah,
He's-
Salty?
He told me not to warn you guys, but I have to warn you guys now. Now, Sir Topham Hatt has an army, and he made me bring Diesel 10, Ari, and Bert back from the dead, and I'm gonna and he made me again put in armor, and I'm gonna join you guys. So
Did you put it on really crappy?
Yes, I did.
Good, because we got it on. Okay.
Put me in armor.
Okay.
Thank you. Now I'm ready for the war. How about you put Diesel in armor? Yeah, I want to be in armor and I want to defeat them.
Okay, everyone who's already put it on.
Hey, can Diesel put on armor?
Yeah.
I'll join the army too. We're big enough. We'll bring more of the engines out. We'll bring more of the engines out to now, immediately.
Minis have to stay.
Chunk-a-ping. I'm in armor. This is the. Can someone move the track and shed?
Yeah, that That should move.
Thank you, Payson. Said the engines. And Spencer set off, and he kept going. He went off to warm the Fat Controller and joined his army.
And there he was, telling me everything.
Oh, this is good. I'm gonna be joining your army, said Spencer.
Yes, more than.
That means
And for some reason, the dogs kept barking because they were on his side. and they were still getting ready. They weren't even close to done. But the battle was in a few minutes, so they had to hurry. Quickly, Hero put on his armor. Then, and then.
I'll join too.
And then-
Chip Chipong. I'm in armor.
Did too.
I'm in armor. I'm gonna join the army.
Okay, said Rosie. And then Garloni joined.
Put Winston in the army as well. Is he in armor? Garlowy? Can you put the rest of his armor too?
And this Wilson was joining.
Hey, you can flash out louder.
Yeah. Oh, yep, you can see her. And they were preparing for the army. They were preparing for the army. Ding, ding.
Trying to figure out how that way.
Thank you, Shaya.
And they were all prepared for the army. Everyone was ready for the war against them. They weren't even done. They had a whole army. This was.
What about those two? Okay.
One, two started coming. Wait, what? Spencer?
I joined their army. And I wanted to take revenge against you guys.
And one of the diesels? Oh my gosh. They're back from the dead. Salty, did you know about this?
Well, they told me to bring him back from the dead. And I knew about it because he was the one who told me to bring him back from the dead.
Well, I get you wanted to obey him.
Yeah, I wanted to obey him so that way he wouldn't get cross.
You guys will never defeat my army.
Well, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You only have 7 engines, and we have a bigger amount compared to you.
Yeah, and Sir Topham Hatt, we might even take you down with them. Listen, you guys are on the wrong side. We're going to be scrapped. So are you, Spencer. You're not a diesel. You're a steam engine. Sir Topham Hatt, since Spencer is still a steam engine, but he's on your team, will he get scrapped?
He will get scrapped along with you guys.
See, Spencer, you could fight for the wrong side and die anyways, or fight for the right side and live.
They're right. I'll fight for the right side. There. So that's how it shall be. I've changed my ways. And you should too, Sir Topham Hat.
What about-
and the rest of you guys?
What about these two twins? Will they get scrapped since they're also steam engines but without a face?
No, they're diesels, so they'll stay alive.
What about your best working steam engine?
I'm gonna keep him since he's on my side.
Steam engine.
I'm on their side.
That's a diesel, not a steam engine.
I'm talking about the black one there.
Hmm?
The black one right next to Bert.
This one?
Yes.
That's
I'll join your side. I'll join your guys' side.
But what about your best working other than that steam engine? Other than that one?
Well, I'm gonna scrap them.
So you're gonna scrap me. Are you gonna scrap my children too?
Yeah,
They're
I'm gonna scrap every single living steam engine, including
They're
the minis and everyone.
They are just kids.
Well, they're gonna die with you guys. And
Okay.
that's how it shall be.
We'll give you the first move. Then we'll strike our whole team. You can surrender now because we have the best armor in the whole entire galaxy.
I won't surrender.
Okay, make your first move.
Okay. Diesels, attack. Army, attack. Steam engines, attack. Attack.
Hamburgers tonight? Before?
I'll take the last one out.
I can't believe it. I was defeated. You should change Sir Topham Hat. And you should too, Diesels. I will never change. I will never change my ways.
Well, then we're gonna have to kill you.
No, I will. I'll try to change my... won't change my ways. I'll run away from you guys. After him.
I got him.
We should send him... What should we do with him instead of killing him?
I know.
Send him to a mental institution?
Yeah.
If you're innocent, why are you hiding here?
Send him to the mental institution of the old town. Oh no!
Well, you're stuck here.
Why?
You're never going away, mister. Okay, guys, I hope you liked our video. Please like and subscribe down and press the bell icon down below it'll send you a notification when we upload a new video. Bye.